Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a search box on your Google site. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we can either select a blank site, a pre-made site provided by Google Sites, or a recent site that we have been working on. Let's say I'm going to choose a blank site. Now, from here, we're going to go to another tab, and on that tab, type pastebin.com/HFRTVIRD. And once you're inside here, we're simply going to copy this code that you can see. Never forget, you need to copy all of it. Then, Ctrl+C, go back to our Google Sites, and on the right panel, click on Embed, click on Embed Code, and paste the code right here. Click on Next, wait for a few seconds, and then click on Insert. And now you have a search box ready to use for your site. And that's it! So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!